Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wyoming Blessed with Tish, and if you haven't done so already, hit that thumbs up, which is the like button. Go over, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified when a video is uploaded. Told you all we were doing an outdoor mukbang, and we have Mariscos. If you didn't see by the picture, we have ceviche and we have aguachiles. And I have, look what I found. Thanks to Big Eye Appetite, I looked for this and I found it. I got the chili pepin and the crusher. We have the mayo, we have everything here, and I do have a michelada. We are at Lakeside Lodge in Pinedale, Wyoming. And there will be other videos attached to this one after the mukbang where y'all can see what I'm looking at from here. You're going to hear the water. You're probably going to hear wind. It's outdoors. You're going to hear Poncho whine because he's back there, not down here. And Carlos is next to me, so he's pissed off. He'll get over it. Coda went off fishing somewhere. So we have the mayo. This is the only mayo I use with Mariscos, and I love it. You're gonna hear people talking. There's sailboat races here. You might hear music once in a while. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. I have everything on a chair thing over here. So we're gonna build our aguachiles. Here's my shrimp in the salsa. I can't really taste spice right now, so Poncho, be quiet. I'm sorry if you have to listen to him whine the whole video. He's being a brat. Look at that. Let's take a bite. Maybe. It's a big bite. And there goes the speedboat. Have this too. That's yummy. My mom's up there on the porch. We brought her for a little getaway. I thought it'd be good for her to get out a little bit. Look, but I want some hot sauce. I love this stuff. Sorry, that speedboat's loud. It's outdoors. And we are right on a lake. That was so good. I want to try it with the chili pepin. Carlos says it's going to kill me. I don't think it will. You're going to hear like ATVs and all kinds of stuff. That's just how the cookie crumbles. I've seen Big Eye Appetite eat this numerous times, so I've wanted to try it. It's an eagle. have no smell, so I don't know why I did that. Oh, it felt like there was a bug. Let's build another one. Now we're going to put the chili pepin on it. We'll see if this is spicy. I'm not going to put a whole bunch until I figure out how spicy it is. Look, y'all. Look at that. That's not spicy. The chili pepper. Can't really taste spice right now, so it's hard to tell if it's like super spicy. People are over there playing I don't remember what it's called. Poncho, no. He's barking at people. We're going to eat the agua chilies first, and then we'll eat the ceviche. I decided. And I forgot to put avocado in my ceviche. Poncho's being naughty today, to say the least. The red chilies are Fresno. Could have caught a fish. Little rainbow trout. There'll be a picture after the video if you want to see that. There's another bite. Look, the chili pepin. I think it's the microphone, but the juice. The agua chilies are good. Huh? You don't make, I make. This is that Bud Light Next. Woo! Now the juice of the agua chilies was a little more spicy. Dakota took off fishing again. He was down at the dock. It's not a huge fish, but hey, he's happy. That's all that matters. Like I said, people are over there playing games. Oh. My ceviche has pulpo, which is octopus, and crab and shrimp. I'm gonna make it extra spicy chili pepin and hot sauce. And these are in the tahini tostadas. Look at that. So, for TikTok, Instagram, come check out the outdoor mukbang with Mariscos. And a little bit, it's like a vlog mukbang video. As you can see, we're outdoors. Check it out. So let's take a bite. Bring it in the mouth. That's so good. You gotta try it with the mayo though. It's just not the same without the mayo. So you can hear Carlos still has a little bit of a cough from COVID. Oh, my nose is running. I can't like taste the spice, but I can feel it. I don't know if that makes sense. See Poncho right there, laying down like a good boy. I don't know what happened to my lip heel. I was taking a bath last night. I don't know if my lip got dry, but I like did something and it did that. Oh, look, that's got lots of tahini. Stop. See, because I said something about him being a good boy. He had to make sure. Carlos is over here chilling in the chair. We're gonna make one more of these. Yeah, Coda's, I can see him from here. He's like on the dock fishing. Hopefully he catches another fish because that totally made his day. Little things like that. That's what it's about. We haven't really done anything this summer. So he doesn't start school till the 25th. No, 22nd. So it was like, let's do something before he starts school. Some more chili pepin. There's another speedboat. They're both going at the same time. Alright. Last one, y'all. These are little tostadas, by the way. Oh! Ooh. Oh, this one's salty. The toast on it itself is. Can't hear if that's a chipmunk. Oh, that bite was spicy. Woo. A little green bug. You're in the outdoors, there's going to be bugs. I don't know if that's might be a bird. Alright, y'all. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the mukbang and watched the vlog portion and see the beautiful scenery and cabins and whatnot. Around here. And I hope you join me next week. Y'all know we like to do things differently around here. And as always, stay warm and stay blessed. Bye, y'all.